Alright, I think we're up to video number 8. We can put our name in the lid. You've done this before. So we're going to click a sketch. Top surface is what we're going to select. I'll view that top down. Text tool. Click to start a box, click to finish a box. Type your name. Plus whatever other text you want there. I'm going to spacebar that across a little so it's centered. And of course change your text, make sure it's bold. Tick. It's going to be way too big. So dimension tool, short edge to the opposite short edge. Move up into space, I think maybe 80 millimeters. Now let's have a look at that. I'll deselect the dimension tool and I'll drag it into place. Okay, that's too big. Has to fit between the chamfers and it actually doesn't. So I'm going to change this by double clicking, make sure no tools are selected, double click where it says 80, I'm going to try 70 and press enter. I think that might be better. Now I'll drag that up and across. Alright, I think that's pretty good. So we can finish that sketch by ticking. We'll go back to our default view, the trimetric view. What comes next? That's right, it's an extrude. Make sure you select all the text, make sure you can see the outline of all the letters before you click. It's going to be a remove, and we're going to do it 1 millimeter deep. Solid, remove, 1 millimeter, and tick. We've got our name in our lid.